Are you struggling to maintain your organized closet? Welcome back to Style and Sorted. I'm Jazzmania, your guide on this journey to a clutter-free and stylish wardrobe. In our previous video, we took you through a 5-step closet cleanse, shared smart storage solutions, and revealed strategies to maximize your closet space. Make sure you check it out if you've missed it. Today, we're diving into the secrets of sustaining your now perfectly organized closet. It's one thing to do a massive wardrobe overhaul, but the real key to maintaining that stylish, clutter-free space is regular check-ins. Make it a seasonal ritual, a time to reassess and reorganize. Another secret to maintaining your organized closet is mindful shopping. Before rushing to add a new piece to your collection, pause and ask yourself, does this really complement my style? Does it fit in with the rest of my wardrobe? This little habit can go a long way in keeping your closet clutter-free. And there you have it. A stylish and organized closet is not just about a clean space. It's about cultivating a lifestyle of intentional style. If you found these tips helpful, do give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Style and Sorted for your regular dose of fashion-forward insights. Remember, your journey to a clutter-free closet is a journey to confident, effortless style. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll unveil the magic of capsule wardrobes, your ultimate style solution. Until then, keep it stylish, keep it sorted.